Hi, in this video I would like to talk about self-development, which is part of our life skill lessons. Self-development is a process of improving our lives in thoughts, habits, behaviors, as well as skills. It helps us know more about ourselves and understand who we are really by realizing our weaknesses, so that we are able to work on our weaknesses to become better than before, or rather to become a better version of ourselves. Self-development is it's not being perfect, but rather it's about learning and growing every day. Having said that, I'd like to share with you some of the elements that contribute toward this self-development. Number one is self-awareness. Self-awareness is the ability to know more about ourselves and understand our strengths, weaknesses, and emotions. When we are able to understand our strengths and weaknesses, we are able to make more better decisions as well as better choices. Besides, self-awareness is the foundation of self-development. Secondly, mindset. Whenever we have a positive, growth-oriented mindset, we are able to see challenges as an opportunity for us to learn and grow, instead of just seeing them as the main reason for us to quit or give up easily. Thirdly is time management. This is the ability to make use of time wisely and more productively. When we plan our day properly, set priorities, and complete our tasks, we are able to reduce stress and increase success. And instead of just wasting time without completing our work and just waiting the last minute pressure. Secondly is our next point is responsibility and discipline. Whenever we try to take ownership of our own decisions, our own actions and decisions, we show responsibility. Instead of just blaming others for our own mistakes, our own actions and decisions, we fully take ownership of our own actions and decisions. That shows responsibility and self-improvement. Also, discipline helps us to do what needs to be done, even if the motivation is low, or even if there's no motivation. We stick to our goals. We push ourselves. We motivate ourselves, so that we maintain discipline. Also, emotional control. This is the ability whereby we try to stay calm, and instead of just reacting impulsively during arguments or during stress, we try to stay calm, try to choose the best response, and instead of just exploding or shutting down.